Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from my attire as well, this is the festive season going on. So today I'll be sharing my festive glow routine with my favorite brand, that is Pilgrim. So we'll just dive into the... So guys, these are the 3 essential products to get this glowing skin for your festive season. So basically this is the mask, then we have the serum and the beauty oil as well. And we'll just start first with the cleansing, and we'll just do the very first step, that is to cleanse your skin, and afterwards we'll apply. The second step is to layer out your skin. So basically second step is your serum, third is your beauty oil, and occasionally like twice a week or something you can just do your mask as well, and it would give you all highlighting skin, like it would radiate, like as you can see guys. So guys, just follow these 3 steps and you will get this festive glow. Just do your mask properly, serum and beauty oil, add this into your skincare and you will see great results within a period of time. Apply it on regular basis and then you will get this glow. Do check out in the description. I've mentioned all the links from where you can get all these stuff, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.